Certainly. Here are some popular ways to earn money online in India. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on Indian freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Truelancer, or Work and Hire. Many clients from around the world are looking for freelancers from India due to the competitive rates and high-quality work. 2. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel or a blog and create content in a niche that interests you. Build an audience and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 3. Online tutoring. Provide online tutoring services to students in subjects you excel in. Websites like Vedantu, Unacademy, Chegg, and Teachable offer opportunities for online teaching. 4. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys, paid offers, and microtasks through websites such as Swagbucks, Toluna, or Amazon Mechanical Turk. These platforms offer rewards or cash for completing simple tasks. 5. Transcription and translation. If you have good language skills, consider working as a transcriptionist or translator. Websites like Rev, GoTranscript, and Gengo provide opportunities for transcription and translation work. 6. Online reselling. Start an online reselling business by selling products through platforms like Meesho, Glowroad, or Shop 101. You can source products from wholesalers or manufacturers and earn a commission on each sale. 7. Online marketplaces. Sell your products or services on popular Indian online marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, or Paytm Mall. You can sell a wide range of products, including handmade items, clothing, electronics, and more. 8. Online gaming and streaming. If you enjoy playing video games, consider streaming your gameplay on platforms like YouTube or Twitch. You can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and donations from your viewers. 9. Online data entry. Many companies require assistance with data entry tasks. Websites like Freelancer, Upwork, and Clickworker often have data entry projects available. 10. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website, blog, or social media platforms and earn a commission for each sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Flipkart Affiliate, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs in India. Remember to research and choose reputable platforms, be proactive in developing your skills, and provide value to your audience or clients. Additionally, consider the tax implications and regulations related to earning money online in India. Thanks for watching.